Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can turn your Google Sheets into the dark mode. So first thing first, let's go step by step. Now for that, most common used technique is that we go here to the Chrome Web Store and you will type in Google Sheets dark mode. After that, just download the Google Chrome extension. And when it's downloaded, you will find it right here in your extensions. Now go back to your Google Sheet, and here in extension, you will see this dark mode function and just activate the dark mode, and voila, we have now the dark mode enabled in uh, our spreadsheet. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.